The best way that organizations can prepare or respond to ransomware attacks is practicing. Tabletop exercises, making sure that you have disaster recovery plans in place, making sure that you understand where all your critical assets and processes are and how they work. And once again, this goes back into cyber resiliency. The question of how you pay, not pay, that is a question that is very personal and is depending on the organization. Making sure that you have a plan for ransomware is going to be paramount to how you actually deal with ransomware. So some of the things that we're seeing as the future of ransomware prevention, similarly, we hear a lot of just all the technological advances, AI, machine learning, ChatGPT. I think those same things that could introduce or provide threat actors with increased capabilities also allow us to have increased capabilities as well. So how can we respond? How can we look at behavioral analysis? I think leveraging a lot of the new technologies and the new capabilities that are coming out, looking at vendors that are providing some of these new added features and new ways of looking and solving the problem through automation and things like that. I think those are going to be areas that we can leverage as information security professionals to really try to, to combat ransomware as a whole. Security awareness training and how that impacts our organization or organizations. People are our best defense, right? So a lot of times we think, oh my God, it's our weakest link, but it's not. I find that if we're able to train and we're able to inform our entire staff or entire employee base on cybersecurity threats, the latest and greatest threats that are happening and things like that, making sure that the culture has security in mind and takes the trust of our customers and our employees as one of the most important things, I think we can achieve that through security and awareness training.